And tonight we begin in The Hague, where President Uhuru Kenyatta has now been summoned for a special court session next month. Judges at the ICC cancelled the start of the hearing of Uhuru's case, but ordered him to attend the special sitting, which is known as a status conference. The session will discuss complaints by the prosecution that Kenya is not cooperating with the request for various documents. KTN'S Joe Ageyo begins our news coverage with that latest development from The Hague.
After many months of back and forth between the Kenya government and the chief prosecutor, the judges appear to have had enough, summoning everyone, including the president, for a face-to-face meeting in an attempt to put the long-running matter to rest.
A representative of the Kenyan government is invited to attend the first status conference, and Mr. Kenyatta is required to be present at the second status conference.
The contention is that Kenya is not cooperating with the Hague-based court.
The government of Kenya failed to provide my office with important evidence.
If the chamber finds that there is non-compliance, it may refer the matter to the Assembly of States Parties to adopt any appropriate measures.
The last time Uhuru was in The Hague, it turned out to be a decisive journey, because on this day, judges confirmed charges against him, setting him on a long legal journey that he would later describe as a personal challenge. He went ahead to run a highly charged anti-ICC campaign, dismissing the case as an attempt by the West to dictate Kenya's future.
We as Kenyans have gone through very difficult and trying times.
Yet on his election, he appeared to have softened that stand a little bit.
And we will continue to cooperate with all nations and international institutions.
But now the court says he has no choice on this particular session.
While true that Mr. Kenyatta has not been required to be present at recent status conferences, given the critical juncture of the proceedings and the matters to be considered, the chamber deems that his presence is necessary.
The prospect of the president sitting before judges in an international court has been a touchy subject in the country.
Tuendelee kuomba Mungu wetu atuongoze, huo upepo mbaya ambao unajaribu kuja kutuharibia taifa letu la Kenya upotee kama huu upepo tunaona sasa, iende kabisa, sheitani huyu ashindwe.
And it remains unclear whether the president will honor the summons. But if he does, he would go down in history as the first sitting president ever to sit before judges at the ICC over criminal charges. Joe Ageyo, KTN.